Hi friends, in this video I will teach you how to install RHEL 8.4, that is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.4 in VMware. This is very useful in to practice uh, RHCSA related examination. So here you can see in the desktop I have VMware installed in my system. So install VMware in your system. So double click on this VMware workstation player. So click on maximize here. So click on create a new virtual machine. So here you have to select the ISO image. You have to download ISO image from Red Hat website. So click on browse. So it's already downloaded and it is in the PC. So click on this ISO image. So click on next. So enter the name of the workstation here. So I'm naming it as workstation. Enter any username and give the password. Click next. So this is the name of the virtual machine. So let us change the name to RHEL VM. Click on next. Enter this maximum size. Here I have it to maximum size. Here I've configured 90 GB of space for this VM. Usually 20 GB of space will be sufficient. So here I'm selecting store virtual disk as a single file so that I can delete it if I once I'm done with the lab. So click on next. And click on finish. So let us so the location here you need to select the location where you want to install the uh, ISO image OS. So here I'm selecting D drive. So click on finish. So this is reading the ISO image and loading the files in the ISO image, boot files. So click on installation destination here. So this is automatically selected the disk. This is D drive. So click on custom here. Storage configuration should be custom and then click on done. Okay, here click on this link. Click here to create them automatically. Click on this link and give here modify. Select. Click on /home and you can give whatever size you want to give for /home. So I'm keeping /home at 25 GB and swap should be double the size of RAM. So here I'm giving 12 GB as the size of swap. So this is the root partition. So I'm reducing the size of root partition. So let us make it 20 GB. So and slash home also, we can reduce it to 20 GB. So add more partitions, click on add plus symbol and mount point, click on slash var and desired capacity say 20 GB and click on add mount point, click the plus symbol and slash USR, desired capacity 10 GB, click on add mount point, click on the plus symbol slash TMP, desired capacity say 5 GB. So G small letter I, G capital, I small letter, B capital letter. Click on add mount point. Click on the plus symbol. And mount point is slash OPT. And I'm giving 4 GB. Click on add mount point. Verify your configuration is correct here and click on done. So here accept your changes. Now network and hostname. Click on network and hostname. Change the hostname here to server a.lab.example.com. Click on apply to apply the hostname. To configure your Ethernet card, to configure the DNS, IP address and everything, you have to click on configure. Configure and click here on IPv4 settings. So here it is automatically taking from DHCP. So if you want to add static address, you have to click on manual, click on add and give your static address, netmask, gateway and DNS server and domain. Since here I'm using DHCP, I'm selecting DHCP. Additional domain searches you can give. Here I'm giving lab.example.com as the domain. Okay, click on Ethernet. Since you have not made any changes, the save button is not enabled, so you have to click on save if you make any changes. Okay, and click on done here. Click on time and date. Select your time zone. Since I live in India, I am selecting Asia Kolkata as the time zone. Click on done. And software selection. So I want the server with GUI. And whatever packages you want to install, you can select it here. Okay, so here I'm installing debugging tools, InfiniBand support, network file system, remote management for Linux, development tools, performance tools, and click on done. Here click here to give the root password. Root password has already been set. So here if you have not set the root password, you have to set the root password. So click here to create a user. So give the name of the user here and give the password. Click on done. And click here to begin installation. So it will take time to install. Please wait until the installation is complete.